Okay, good day everyone. Man, I don't even to do live video like that. So I never even do live video but there are some things I need to clarify, because it has been long now after 30 something years now. So I need to clarify these things because there are a lot of arguments and there are a lot of because I was in somewhere yesterday. You understand? So people here they argue say, Anini picking, this one, they talk about Anini, they talk about different story, you understand? I know say me when I don't watch drama, when I don't watch that drama when Nollywood that, you understand? That drama when Nollywood you are so all those one everything are your fake. First man even correct the name, say some people see me now, they come and say no man yang bon. No man yang bon. No be no man yang bon. The name na no man yang bon. Like in English. Who no get cloth. No man yang bon. Everyone say like if you borrow cloth from somebody now, the way that person go even gear that cloth safe and you yourself, you will go borrow that cloth for that person and you know if you gear on like that, you understand? So I don't have a correct that impression say no man yang bon. Everyone say Anini. And that Anini so not be AKA. Anini na my grandfather name. Then my own father come dey answer the name Anini like you know if you dey answer your name like that, you understand? So meanwhile, many people if I dey pass now for road, like people there like they point me say that guy. You know, say that way na Anini picture. I'm not hide myself. Even Nigeria government, as I did here, so even Nigeria government know me. You understand? I don't use that name to even follow Nigeria government go court for like 4 years. So when I say maybe if you see me now, say maybe they point me to somebody. I want and I'm proud of my father, my guy. You understand? Even if maybe you want yourself, you want to check on the reason I say, man, the way you even to run your own things, say not go down well with you. Now your opinion be down, I respect her. But for me, now my father, my guy, you understand? I know the head down. We be two. You understand? I get elder brother. That one in Osaro, my name Osai. You understand? So you they share the video, self. If you they share on, go anywhere. Who don't know me before where they know me now? You understand? Who don't know any picking where they know me? No need for people to be and point me again. You understand? So apart from that one, you yourself, anything you they do, try you're doing well. You understand? But nothing one more time. You're giving the full gist of Anini, the full gist of Lawrence. Normal Yakmo I say so and need the full gist. Not in 1 month time. I just tell now the way it starts. Up till now, my grandmother they are alive. The one will say I never feel remember, the one will say I don't feel talking well. I'll call my grandmother. She's still there alive. Anini mama, she's still there alive, she's still there well, she's still strong, you understand? My aunt is still there, my uncles, everybody there, you understand? So I don't want to clarify to now first, number one. That name, no, they argue and say, no man, no be the name, because I don't tire for 30 something years now. Now that name, people here, they come, they say, no man, no man, the way they ought to look out for drama, the office say maybe, the way they ought to see for drama, something be. All those things where they out for that drama, so, all those ones say, they want to use that to make name. And the one is that make money. Now normal level, me never reason I'm gonna your normal level, you understand? Any I want to collect your money, any person wants to collect and no shaking at your star. You understand? So all that drama when I was, so we say that drama, now they use that drama till they look me. All those dramas, so everything are your fake. Nothing is real concerning that drama, you understand? So when I don't worry, nothing 1 month time, you understand? I'll give you the full gist of Anini.